How do you control runout within 0.02 millimeters on a ship shaft? For many manufacturers, this is a real challenge, especially when machining long and heavy shafts. Problems like vibration, deflection, and unstable machining can easily lead to poor accuracy. This is a real customer site using our heavy-duty lathe. In this video, the operator is measuring runout at 3 positions and all results are within 0.02 millimeters. This level of accuracy requires not only machine rigidity, but also precise assembly and alignment. Our solution ensures stable machining performance, even for long and heavy ship shafts. As you can see, the measurement is clear and reliable. If you are facing similar accuracy challenges, feel free to contact us for a solution.